my channel Crochet Skills. In today's video I will show you how to crochet this beautiful motif. So let's start working on it. You'll just take the yarn, wrap it around your finger, then like this, hold it, make a chain 1. So you're holding all the loops together. Now work single crochets to cover all these loops. Just work one single crochet and then just go for the next. No chain loops or chain spaces, just work single crochet. Okay, so this is enough. All the loops are covered. Work a slip stitch here. A ring is formed. Okay, now pull it a little bit, yarn over, go into this ring, pull up a loop. We will just do it 5 times. 5 times. Okay, now hold this, pull it through all the loops together. Now with this we will work a single crochet. Work 1 2 3 and chain 4. Go into this space, work a single crochet. 1 2 3 and 4. Go into this space, work a single crochet. 1 2 3 4. Go into the same space, work a single crochet. Chain 2, go into this ring and repeat the same pattern. We'll work 5 times. 1 2 3 4 5. Pull it through all the loops together and work a single crochet. Chain 4, go into this space, single crochet. 4, go into the space, work a single crochet. Chain 4, go into the same space, work a single crochet. Chain 2 and repeat the same pattern. So I will make total 8 petals like this and then I'll show you what to do next. Okay, so I worked all the 8 petals and this is how it looks. The difference between both is that I haven't worked chain 2 spaces here, so it looks like a button more, and this is a little expanded and I worked it a little loose, so this is something like a motif. So I hope you have liked it. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share my video. For any query you can ask me in comment section. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.